Hi, this is Alan Bondi from Actuate here at the BIRT iHub F-Type launch in San Jose. What do you think is the key to sort of the next great app?
I think that the biggest problem that we have is like when we look at the next big app, we try to think of something that everybody else has done. That's not the next big app. The next big app is something that your customers don't know they need.
Knowing and understanding your data better can actually lead to more creativity in coming up with that next big app.
The average user of the data, which is the corporate user, they don't know that much about data. They don't know where it comes from. They don't know what it is. They don't know what the numbers mean. But if you have a tool that can actually take all that data and create a visual effect, then you don't need to know anything about the data. You don't need to be a data scientist.
BIRT has taken their open source software and created a very user-friendly way of visualizing data, big, small, very scalable, and that it's actually now readily available to people.
The who's who of global companies have been working with the BIRT iHub technology for many, many years and really implementing and deploying some tremendous BIRT-based applications on a global basis. The cool thing about what we've done with F-Type is we've made it freely available for the 3.5 million Eclipse open source developers to use in small applications and get acquainted with that awesome power. I think what you'll immediately see is tremendous, intuitive, and exciting visualizations that you're able to relay information with. You'll be amazed at the amount of data sources you're able to bring into the F-Type. It's here free for small applications, and we want to make users of the content self-sufficient.
If you look at what you can do with F-Type versus the bare bones BIRT, there is an enormous amount of capability there, and I think that a lot of developers are going to find it very attractive.
When you think about what it took for people to understand the data that was being gathered, millions and millions of little bits and pieces of data out there, and now they can actually be visualized and people can see and understand the data. I think that's the power in the communication now of what does this data mean to me and my company, whether you're a huge Fortune 500 or whether you're a small business owner. That's pretty powerful information that I don't believe you could have had even just 5 years ago.